As a musician, I understand the importance of protecting the creative spark. That's why I'm proud to serve at the United States Copyright Office. My name is Trey Robertson, and I work in the Office of Registration Policy and Practice as a supervisor. I lead a dedicated team of copyright experts who examine and register music, sound recordings, motion pictures, and choreographic works. Some of my colleagues work with literary works, visual arts, and other creative works. Our job is to administer the copyright law and help protect the rights of creators so their voices, their stories, and their art can thrive. Today's world is changing fast. New technologies, new ways of working, and generative AI are reshaping how creativity happens. These changes are challenging us and inspiring us to think differently. We're building the tools and resources creators need to navigate this evolving landscape. And I'm more optimistic than ever about the impact of our work. The Copyright Office is here for you, and I encourage you to find yourself in copyright.